how can you use the Google Meet on your Android phone? Let me give you this comprehensive guide. I'm going to try to be as quick as possible. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and let's get into it. First of all, make sure you have the app downloaded from the Play Store. Open up the Play Store, look it up, type in Google Meet, and even if there is an update available, just click on update so you get the latest version. You then get inside the app. You can sign in with your Google account as usual, no problem there. Then you're going to get to this page where you basically have to set up or just connect to some call, right? Because the Google Meet is a video call app, right? So you have more ways. You can initiate the video call yourself or join someone else's, right? So you can tap on the thing at the top next to your picture, and you can type in a code or someone's email address if you want to connect with that particular person. You can as well just click on the new button below, and as well in here you get to decide, you can look up some specific email address, right, and just try to connect with them, or you can set up a new group or even create a link. So there are more ways how you can initiate a group, the video call, right? For example, the best way for me is just to create a link, so I can click on it like so. It's going to set up an automatic link for you so you can copy it, right? And I can click on join and just connect to that call. This link will of course be shared with some other people that are going to use their Google Meet. Tap on that link and they'll be able to join as so. If somebody else is going to send you that link, you can of course just paste it into this search, and you can just tap on it and it will basically just let you use it. So it's very simple to use it. It all comes down to whether you want to initiate the call or if you just want to join someone else's, right? So then you have more features, and you can customize the way that you look and set up the backgrounds or whatever. And there are a bunch of other features which I'm not going to cover in this video, but I have so many other tutorials on this channel talking about Google Meet, so you can check out those as well. Subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials, and I'll see you later.